Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your coin balance in the Trandyol app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here you just go into the account menu. And then under the overview section we find coin balance. We tap on this. And here we can see that so far we have 0 coins and we haven't made any transactions yet. But if we buy or order stuff more often from the Trandyol app, we can start to collect coins. And these coins can be used in the next purchase. So these are like money that you get back from your purchase as a reward for purchasing from this site. And then you can use these coins to buy